Yo, someone said eat dog food with cheese in the microwave, so guess what we gotta do? Gotta eat dog with cheese in the microwave and eat it. Alright, let's do it. Dog food with cheese. Alright, dog food with cheese, man. Shout out to Ridiculous all day, man. You already know gonna fucking make it, man. Shout out to Saginaw, Michigan, too, man. Fucking do it. Let's put us on the map. Dog food with cheese. This ain't too bad. It's like stroganoff. Stroganoff to me, yeah. Taco meat. Beef burritos. Beef burritos. Ow. Good shit. Good shit.